Hello, good day, and welcome back to my channel. Happy new week. So today I want to talk about something that is quite personal to me, and that is plus size. How do you be a clean plus size? And plus size as you can see. So I noticed that most people feel like plus size people are not clean. Let me not use the word dirty, like are not clean. You understand me? And there are some few things I need to point out that we plus size need to do better. And what are those things? First and foremost, before I go into this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, watch, comment, like. Thank you. So let's continue. One of the things I want to talk about is confidence. You can't give up, and if you don't have confidence in yourself, I don't think people will rate you to a high esteem. You just be filled with you just be filled with low self-esteem. So back to what I'm talking about. There are some few things you have to do as a plus size. One is take your bath regularly. I don't mean pouring water on your body. We have foods, we have places where dirt can hide. And these places, the smell, your neck region, your tummy region, the back of your legs, behind your ears, navel, under your breast. These are places you need to put emphasis on and scrub regularly. Take your bath as much as you can. Don't just morning and night. If you come back from work, please pull your clothes and take your bath. So the truth is that we have more, I don't know how to say it, because if you're clean from within, it shows out. You have confidence to go. Another thing is our oral care. Oral care. I know it applies to everybody. Just I'm talking about like a plus size. Take good care of your teeth. Buy you can floss in the morning. Brush your teeth. Have a tongue scraper. Wash your tongue. Be generally clean. Don't force the cleanness. Generally be clean. Deodorant. We sweat more. You something that's slim or average person. So you have to use your deodorant. You have to use your perfume. But I don't advocate using perfume when you've not taken your bath. You smell horribly. You, you understand? So you have to have a perfume. Now, another thing is there are few essentials you carry around. One is a little perfume. Another one is a small toilet. Then another one is tissue paper. After using the toilet, for crying out loud, clean up. We are adults. These things, they stink a little. So after using the toilet, clean up. Just with your what do you call it? With your tissue paper, you clean up. If you have wipes, which one is diapers? Diapers. Okay. If you have wipes, good and fine. That one is even better. So just make a conscious effort. Then our clothing, like I dress according to my budget. If you've been watching my video, you know I'm a teacher. So I dress according to what I can afford. But in as much as that, I don't dress without considering my body type. I dress decently. I try, maybe some people say I don't, but I try to dress decently and I try to dress good to an extent, as much as I can afford. So these are basic things that you need to do for yourself. Because funny enough, you are accountable to yourself at the end of the day. You get, like, you just have this one life. So I don't think you have to really put a pause to it till you get slim, in quotes. you don't have to not to enjoy life till your size 8, size 30, size 26, size 22, size whatever be your size. Just enjoy life the little you can. Slim people die, fat people die. Yeah, you have to be healthy at that. I'm not saying personally I don't want to lose weight or I'm not working towards it. But one thing I noticed, that will be a video for another day. One I noticed about my weight loss is when I dive into it, like when I do a lot of things, intermittent fasting, skipping, exercise, calorie deficit diets, everything. If I do it, I burn out. I burn off. Like, I don't mean I burn the fat up. Like, I stop. Maybe I'll just do like for 2 months with all my, I stop. I get tired. I get overwhelmed and I stop. So I normally, since I've noticed that about myself, I pick up one to do. If I'm doing intermittent fasting, I'll take it easy. I do not accumulate the fat in, let's say, a year. So it won't live in a year, something that will go gradually. So sorry, I'm deviating. So that's just what I want to say. Let's do better as plus size. If you're clean, if you have the confidence, see, you can speak in public places. I'm someone that outside, I'm not really a chatterbox, but you see, in my element or in my place of work, I speak. You can't intimidate me, or you can't even try it to use my weight against me. So if you've watched to this extent, you're real G. So please like, comment, share, subscribe, tell people about my channel, please. So before you go, just take a look at God's goodness. Bye.